Good morning, everybody. Today I wanted to show you my version of fire cider. You might be wondering what fire cider is, and it's been called like nature's antibiotic. It's basically a lot of good ingredients that you're going to be putting together with apple cider vinegar. So there's a lot of different recipes out on the internet. Some people like to put citrus in theirs. I personally don't put it in mine, but it's fine to do that. And then you want to, the minute you feel like a cold or flu coming on, a cold, virus, a sore throat, anything like that, start to take this. I do about a half of a shot. If I'm feeling like I'm getting sick, I'll do like a half a shot, like 3 times a day. Definitely right before bed. Honestly, I haven't had to use it much because I have felt really good. So we use like our elderberry syrup every day for preventative. Some people use this as a preventative too, and that's fine. I tend to just use this if we're just, like I said, on that verge of maybe not starting to feel good. But you want to always, with these home remedies, the earlier you can catch it, the better. So you just always want to try to catch it quick. What I put into mine, I've already got it chopped up here. This is a quart jar. So I'm going to put in a medium onion, and be sure your hands are washed. A medium onion. And then I have about 4 garlic cloves that I have cut. This is about 2 tablespoons of ginger. This is about 2 tablespoons of fresh horseradish. I'm just realizing that you're probably not seeing this. You can see I've got horseradish there. I put the onion, ginger, and garlic in there so far. So I'm going to put in the horseradish. And I have 1 full chopped jalapeno pepper. And I have, by the way, the horseradish is kind of hard to find, so we grow our own. We have it out here. You can't always find it at all grocery stores, especially, the fresh stuff. Then I also have 3 dried jalapenos from the garden. And sometimes you can put the flakes in there also. If you can't find those, just use like a tablespoon of flakes from that. In this dish, I have, and this is where some people use turmeric, some don't. I have a teaspoon of turmeric in here. I have about 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. You always want black pepper and turmeric together. And then I have about 1/2 a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in here as well. And this is the apple cider vinegar with the mother. Hopefully this is enough to fill this jar. And you want it with the mother. That's an unrefined, unfiltered, I'm gonna have to get a little more, apple cider. So it just has a lot more good, healthy bacterias and acids and things like that in it. And then I'll have to finish filling that up after I'm done here. But I like to put a piece of wax paper over my lid. It's just, I would rather not that be on the metal. So I will show you this one I've had sitting, because you're going to let that sit for about 4 weeks. This one has been sitting for 4 weeks, and I put it in a dark place. And, 2 or 3 times a week, I'll kind of shake it a little bit. So what we're going to do now is strain this one. This one's ready to go. So like I said, I set this, let it set for 4 weeks. Okay. Drain this off. Probably gonna have a little, it makes a good full 2 cups there. I will get the rest of that in there, push it through, and then I'll bottle this or jar it up. You can just wash your jar out and put it back in that jar, or I like to sometimes have little serving bottles. Another good bottle can be a wine bottle that you can cork, because especially if you get a green one or a dark one, I like to keep most of my things in a dark jar or in a dark place. Anyway, and then that little half a shot, or it might be 2 tablespoons that you take a couple times a day. The minute you feel a cold or flu coming on, or a virus, sore throat, heck, even an earache, go ahead and use that. It's not going to hurt you. And I personally, in using it, feel like it really helps. So stay healthy. Try out some of these. Look at different recipes online, on the internet, on YouTube, whatever, because everybody's got their own version. And I would say for the most part, they're probably all really good. So hope you enjoyed this. And until next time, we'll be keeping life simple.